Hello, my name is Ananya Pont, and this is my final project presentation. I worked with Vaishnavi to digitally design a submarine using Onshape. So here is a brief overview and introduction of our project. Submarines are a mode of transport that travel underwater. Typically, they're used for military purposes, but when they're outdated or just unused, they become tourist attractions by turning to museums. Within the United States, there are 65 of the largest submarine fleets in the world, second going to China. But our project is based on diminishing leaks, which is one of the main threats to submarines. On this slide, there are 3 main events in which the structure of a submarine was punctured, the most recent being on April 21st of 2021, when a Navy fleet was sunk and found 839 meters below sea level and ended up losing 53 crew members. And
entertainment. So next we have a problem statement, and our problem statement was leaks within a submarine are one of the greatest dangers of this transportation method. With the increasing water pressure due to the submarine's depth, one leak can impose a threat to the submarine crew. With every single mile that the submarine emerged in, every square inch of the hull would be pressed on by at least 2,500 pounds of force. Additionally, submarines typically take 5+ years to build and make, and cost millions of dollars to build, occasionally hundreds of millions of dollars to build. We hope to tackle these issues by creating and testing submarine replicas. So we wanted to research materials and minimize the cost of building a submarine with also making sure it was effective and not sinking or having any leaks under any pressure the submarine was put in.
So throughout our project, we faced a few challenges during both the research and design process. It was difficult to identify reliable resource information online regarding submarines because many articles countered each other, so we had to determine which facts were agreed upon throughout all of the websites. Then we also had to pick the best options for the submarine, like the strongest structure, important parts, and sturdy materials. Then for the designing part, it was difficult to translate the sketches to Onshape at times because of the different planes and dimensions that needed to be made. And one of the last challenges was finding out how the submarine works in terms of machinery, like learning about the propellers and engines, but we managed to get around these challenges.
So this is a picture of our ideation sketch, and as you can see, we added fan propellers and the motor propellers, the hatchet, the periscopes and signals, and then the main body of the submarine as well.
So for the submarine, we have the external structure, which includes the hull, submarine shape, the sails, propellers, and periscopes. And we also used a motor propellant as the engine. The best materials for the 3D printer would be thermoplastics and FDM materials, specifically polylactic acid, PETG, and nylon, depending on the part of the submarine. And this is our demonstration of the submarine we made using Onshape. This is the front view, the back view, the right view, the left view of our design, the top view, and the bottom view.
So this is our final model of the submarine, and as you can see, there are a lot of details added. Like if you look at the top view, you can see every little box and circle we added to try to make this as realistic as possible. So as you can see, these are our propellers, the main engine propellers. The hatchet is located right here, and these are the periscopes and signals, and these small parts are the fan propellers. And this is just to show a 360 of our model. Overall, I'm very proud of the design that we made because it took a lot of time and effort, and I think we perfected it to the best we could. And we both do believe that this looks very realistic, and we both put in the same amount of work and time as well. With the materials that we listed, I think this project would be durable and also affordable, so I do think this project or design was successful.
So what sets our design apart is our focus on safety and efficiency. The whole intent of our submarine is to ensure safety from external forces, basically making sure it's impermeable. The quality is also assured during the design process for the submarine's overall good condition. The design is also very simple in the way that it is easy to use and navigate, and is also made as a proportional replica. The propellants are also made to gain speed and distance, and also our design always improves based on running tests, which means that once one model has been run, improvements are made for future designs.
So for our solution, we came up with utilizing Onshape as a primary designing tool. Our 3D model replica of a submarine should allow the structure to float as well as travel underwater with no water leakage or damage. With this, our model should have no gaps or holes to ensure this. Our submarine should also remain impermeable during underwater travels. Adding propellers that work with an engine will ensure the submarine travels at a relatively fast pace. We also hope to maximize time, material, and financial efficiency during the design process.
So these are a few potential questions that can be asked. Firstly, how does the specific design prevent structural damage? And the answer is that our design uses simple structures to make sure that every part of the submarine is strong enough to withstand any external pressures. And also, the materials that are chosen are able to prevent potential leaks and gaps. Another question could be, how are the submarines tested? Each design is tested for speed, strength, and distance at different depths in different waters. Some waters being more turbulent and others being more calm. Improvements for the future are dependent on the test results. And lastly, what are the uses? So our design is a replica that can be made proportionally to real-life submarines. This means they can be used to test different structural ideas or can be used as prototypes. So all in all, our design should remain impermeable to avoid potential leaks and threats to the submarine structure. Our design process also maximized time, material, and financial efficiency, and our designs improve after testing previous models.
Thank you, everyone.